2080 new course partial exam Tribhuvan University bachelor level 4 years program education B.Ed first year English education 416 foundation of language and linguistic major subject question paper full marks 80 time 3 hours. There are 3 groups. Group A contains 16 marks, Group B contains 40 marks and Group C contains 24 marks. Group A marks 16. Question number 1. The right statement about language is ... A. Symbol system based on mutual understanding. B. Human and non-human communication. C. Unexchangeable phenomena. D. Expression of ideas by means of speech sound combined into words. Question number 2. The phoneme P is described as ... A. Voiceless, bilabial and affricate. B. Voiceless, bilabial and plosive. C. Voiceless, bilabial and nasal. D. Voiceless, dental and nasal. Question number 3. English spoken in America and Africa are example of A. Dialects. B. Lexical. C. Registers. D. Idiolects. Question number 4. The syllabus structure of the English word spray is ... A. CCCB. B. CCBCC. C. CCBC. D. CCB. Question number 5. The plural morpheme is pronounced Z in which of the following English words? A. Looks, laughs and ideas. B. Caps, gaps and watches. C. Words, boys and pens. D. Patches, catches and words. Question number 6. The word TikTok is formed through the ... process. A. Blending. B. Clipping. C. Borrowing. D. Reduplication. Question number 7. Which of the following is the example of hypercorrection? A. He ate tea. B. He ran fastly. C. He can swim. D. He ball plays. Question number 8. The sentence I enter home when she was working in kitchen contains ... A. 4 content words and 5 functional words. B. 3 content words and 8 functional words. C. 5 content words and 6 functional words. D. 6 content words and 5 functional words. Question number 9. Which is not true about error? A. They are regular. B. They are committed by native learners. C. They are committed by non-native learners. D. They are committed at competence level. Question number 10. The oppositeness of the word two different words right and wrong is explained as ... A. Gradable antonymy. B. Converseness. C. Complementary. D. Ungradable antonymy. Question number 11. Which of the following is the correct statement about has? A. An application in discourse analysis for the general sense of word. B. An appropriate amount of information. C. A relevant engagement on topic. D. A brief account of information. Question number 12. Which of the language comes under Indo-Aryan family? A. Chinese. B. Hindi. C. Nepali. D. Japanese. Question number 13. Coinage is defined as the process of word formation by the ... A. Creation of new terminology. B. Blending of two words. C. Affixation. D. Compounding. Question number 14. Which of the following is not true about word class? A. Pronouns belong to minor word class. B. Adverbs belong to minor word class. C. Preposition belong to minor word class. D. Adjective belong to minor word class. Question number 15. CA does not focus on ... A. Remediation of L2 errors. B. Prediction of L2 languages. C. Comparison between two languages. D. Contrast between two languages. Question number 16. In the sentence, as soon as I heard the noise, I escaped away. The underlined clause is ... A. Noun clause. B. Adjective clause. C. Preposition clause. D. Adverbial clause. Attempt all the questions. Group B. Marks 8 into 5 equal to 40. Question number 1. Define language and describe its characteristics as given by Hackett. Question number 2. Distinguish between psycholinguistic and sociolinguistic with example. Or question. Why is knowledge of linguistics important in language teaching? Illustrate. Question number 3. Draw the diagram of organs of speech and locate the upper lip, lower teeth, soft palate, nasal cavity and glottis. Question number 4. Write short notes on any two of the following. A. Dialect. B. Phonetics. C. Diphthong. Question number 5. Define syllabus structure and describe different syllabus structure in English. Or question, distinguish between free and bound morphemes with examples. Question number 6, the process of language change is universal, regular and systematic. Illustrate the statement. Or question, write down the different types of sense relation and discuss antonymy. Question number 7, clarify English consonants on the basis of place of articulation. Question number 8, clarify the differences between errors and mistakes with examples. Group C, marks 2 into 12 equal to 24. Question number 9, what is contrastive analysis? Discuss its hypotheses and principles. Or question, give an inventory of English vowel and classify them into various types according to quality, length, tongue position, lip position and direction of glide. Question number 10, what is the language change? Discuss language change in different levels and aspects. बेड फर्स्ट इयरदेखि फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्रहरू चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर 1Mको प्लेलिस्ट बेड मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोज्नुहोला र प्रिपेरेसन राम्रो गरी एक्जाम राम्रो गर्नुहोला। वी लर्न टुगेदर 1M भित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोलाई लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्दै राख्नुहोला।